Almost.
Oh,
Turn sideways.
what?
I recently got this belt and disc sander as a gift, and I thought I would do an unboxing and kind of give you my personal opinion of it. So let's go ahead and get on with this. So with the sander you get an instruction booklet, this adjustable push deal, adjustable table that pivots. This is a guard for the disc part, 4 rubber feet. They go on the corners, a couple little tools for adjusting, a stop, and the disc with a sandpaper. And this is what the unit looks like. It has a 3/4 horsepower motor. The motor doesn't seem to be all that strong. It kind of bogs down a little bit when I put a piece of angle iron on there and was just roughly sanding it, not putting a lot of pressure. But the main body of it is cast as well as sheet metal parts, which seem to be fairly decent. There are some plastic pieces on the end where the belt wraps. The fan guard on the motor is plastic, but for $75, I don't know, it's probably satisfactory. I wouldn't call it industrial grade at all. I wouldn't even call it necessarily commercial grade, maybe DIY grade. So let's put this thing together. WeLD sticker not included. Those can be got at the website. Here we go, putting the feet on. So I'll just let this go and you can kind of watch what's going on here. Now the table can be removed and used at either the sand or the disc position, or as I'm showing here, for the belt. Works in both places. I've got a piece of angle iron here that had a tack weld on it that I wanted to clean off, as well as just trying to clean some of the rust off it. It seems to work all right for that. Here later, here I'm using it for cleaning powder coating off a steel tube that I'm using on the elevator. So it seemed to work pretty good for that. So for not really having used it much at this point, I think it's not a bad little sander. Wouldn't use it for a lot of real heavy stuff, but I think for the things that I'm going to use it for, it'll be fine. I'm not sure how long it's going to hold up, but that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.